Hello everyone, let's start our class. So in the last class we have done dictionary form of the verbs and few kanjis. Let's start again with the kanjis. So we'll learn the kanji of iro. Iro means color. So first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth, fifth, this is how we write iro. Another reading is shaku. It means color. So if you want to say I like green color, then it will be watashi wa midori. Midori is green. Iro ga suki desu. Suki is to like. We have done the pattern A wa B ga suki desu. Okay, so suki is to like. Watashi wa midori iro ga suki desu. I don't like. Okay, I don't like red color. So it will be watashi wa, red is akai. Akai iro ga suki de wa arimasen. Watashi wa akai iro ga suki de wa arimasen. So suki here is color. Next kanji is the kanji of cha. First, this part of the kanji actually represent kusa. Kusa means grass. So whatever kanji you see with this part has something to do with leaves or grass. So first stroke, second stroke, third, fourth. And this kanji means tea is the reading of cha and also sa. So this has only the Chinese reading and not Japanese reading, and it means tea. Since the tea was introduced to Japan from China, they don't have the Japanese reading, they use it as the Chinese have introduced it to them. So ocha is tea, and in that word ocha, o is the honorific and cha represents the tea. So if I say my grandmother drinks tea daily. So my grandmother will be oba-san wa mainichi ocha o nomimasu. Oba-san wa mainichi ocha o nomimasu. Can also say there are also tea ceremony in Japan, which is cultural thing, and that is called chado. and also called sado. And the kanji will be so this is the tea and this is the way. So way to have tea, way to serve tea, way to enjoy the tea, that is chado or sado. It is also translated as tea ceremony. Next is akai. First, second, third, so this is the kanji of akai, and another reading is seki. It means red. If I say my friend's face became red, face became red, it will be tomodachi no kao ga akaku narimashita. Why? Since akai here is E type adjective, so to make it an adverb, what we will do, we'll cut E and add ku. So tomodachi no kao ga akaku narimashita. My friend's face became red. Next is aoi. This is very interesting in some context. When we are writing, aoi is blue. So you can see the kanji of moon here, and aoi means blue. Another reading of aoi is sei. Sometimes in Japan, aoi is also translated as green. And I know you would like to know why it is also translated as green, whether it is blue. Because in traffic signal of Japan, they don't have green light. It is not available. They have blue light instead of that. So like we have red, they have red. Like we have yellow, they have yellow. But instead of green, they have blue. So when they have to say the traffic signal has become green, no, we say traffic signal has become green. Since Japan has no green light but blue light, they translate this green as aoi. So they'll say shingo. Shingo is the traffic light. Shingo wa aoku narimashita. Aoku narimashita. So aoi means blue, but in the sense of traffic signal, it is translated as green, but it looks blue only. So to make the English speaking people understand that the traffic signal has become green, for an European or for anyone who is not a Japanese will not be able to understand that what it would mean. The traffic has become blue because most of the world has traffic signal as a green light. Okay, so but in Japan it is a blue light. So aoku narimashita means it has become green. any translation. So next is hareru. Hareru means to be clear of weather. If you see, the first is he, that is the sun, and the next portion is aoi, the blue sky, or you can see the moon. Okay, so these two kanjis are combined together, right? So this is the kanji of arimasu basically. On another reading is sei. It means to be a clear sky, when the weather is clear. So you can say kyou wa tenki ga haremashita. No? Today we have a clear sky. Kyou wa sora. Sora is sky. Sora ga haremashita. The sky has become clear. Haremashita. So this is how we use hareru or haremas for the clear weather, clear sky. And instead of writing the hiragana, you can write hareru kanji. Okay, so let's move back to the patterns. So we were doing the dictionary form of the verb, group 1, group 2 and group 3. Okay, so group 1, let's write all the verbs. Ikimasu, hanashimasu, tachimasu, yomimasu, shinimasu, asobimasu, or kaimasu. So to make it a dictionary form, we'll just use u sound. Iku, hanasu, tachi will change into tatsu, yomi will change into yomu, shini will change into shinu, asobi will change into asobu, kai will change into kau, and we know how to make the te form. Ikimasu, it will change into itte, hanashimasu, it will change into hanashite, tachimasu will change into tatte, yomimasu will change into yonde, shinimasu will change into shinde, asobimasu will change into asonde, and kaimasu will change into katte. Similarly, tabemasu, if we want to change it into the te form, it will be tabete. Mimasu will change into mite. Agemasu will change into agete, where third group shimasu and kimasu will change into shite and kite. Now we will learn to make ta form of the verb. To make ta form, we'll just remove this te, or we will just change this te sound into a sound. So shite will change into shitta, kite will change into kita, tabete will change into tabeta, Mite will become mita and agete will become ageta. Similarly, here also all the te or they will change into a sound. So, itte will change into itta, hanashite will become hana, shita, tate will change into tatta, yonde will change into yonda, shinde will change into shinda, asonde will change into asonda, katte will change into katta. When we want to talk about our experiences, that we have done something, we have the experience of doing this, we use this ta form of the verb plus koto ga arimasu. So if you want to say, I have eaten sushi, the Japanese fish, okay, Japanese dish sushi. You can say, watashi wa sushi o tabimasu will change into first tabete and then it will change into tabeta koto ga arimasu. Okay, so watashi wa sushi o tabeta koto ga arimasu. Suppose someone asks you a question, have you ever ridden on a horse? Okay, so the A is asking you a question. Uma, which is horse. Uma ni. To ride is called norimasu. So norimasu will change into notta. It is in the first group. Notta koto ga arimasu ka? Okay. Notta koto ga arimasu ka? Then B will reply, if he has the experience, A, yes. Uma ni notta koto ga arimasu. Okay, uma ni notta koto ga arimasu. Or we can also reply, no, I have never ridden on. You can say, iie, not even once. Not even once will be ichidomo. Okay, ichidomo, never, or domo notta koto ga arimasen. Iie, ichidomo notta koto ga arimasen. Not even once. And uma is horse. Okay, so notta has come from norimasu, which means to ride. Okay, so uma ni notta koto ga arimasu ka? Uma ni notta koto ga arimasu. Or iie, ichidomo notta koto ga arimasen. Not even once. So again we can see a conversation between two people. A person is saying, Fuji-san ni nobotta koto ga arimasu ka? Nobotta. Nobotta is coming from noborimasu. Noborimasu means to climb. Nobotta koto ga arimasu ka? Okay, so we can reply, yes, I climbed last day, okay, yesterday or last week, suppose you want to say last month, sengetsu. Sengetsu, sengetsu noborimashita, okay. Sengetsu noborimashita, okay. Then you can again ask how was it, okay, maybe do deshita ka, how was it? We can reply it was good, I enjoyed. Tanoshi katta desu. E type adjective past. Tanoshi will change into tanoshi katta desu. Okay. But it was very tough. Demo. Demo is but. In conversation form we can say demo. Taihen deshita. Taihen is like too much, troublesome. Taihen deshita. Okay. So Fuji-san, Mount Fuji ni nobotta koto ga arimasu ka? Nobotta koto ga arimasu ka? Have you ever climbed on Mount Fuji? Yes. Sengetsu, last month. Noborimashita, I climbed. Do deshita ka? How was it? Tanoshikatta desu. I enjoyed. Demo, taihen deshita, but it was too much. Tanoshi is the happy, enjoying, So past form of tanoshi will be tanoshi katta desu. Next, we did hanashimasu, hanashite, hanashita. Tachimasu, tatte, tatta. Yomimasu, yonde, yonda. Shinimasu, shinde, shinda. Asobimasu, asonde, asonda. Kaimasu, katte, katta. Similarly in group 2, tabemasu, tabete, tabeta. Mimasu, mite, mita. Agemasu, agete, ageta. And in group 3, we did shimasu, shite, shita. Kimasu, kite, kita. And the ta form of the verb will be used with koto ga arimasu to show what we have done, okay, what we have the experience of. So if we say I have eaten sushi, watashi wa sushi o tabeta koto ga arimasu. Or watashi wa uma ni notta koto ga arimasu. Or Fuji-san ni nobotta koto ga arimasu. So suppose someone asks you, have you ever been to Japan? So the person will ask like, question will be, Nihon to go is ikimasu. So it will become itta. Koto ga arimasu ka? Have you ever gone to Japan? And you want to say many times. Or you can say once. If you say once, it will be ichido. Ichido Nihon itta koto ga arimasu. Or if you want to say never, you will say ichidomo. So it is hi, yes, it will be iie, no, ichidomo Nihon itta koto ga arimasen. So ichido is once, ichidomo is never. So this is how we'll learn how to talk about our experiences. We'll learn more patterns and more kanjis in the next class. Thank you.